A generic method defines type parameters, allowing it to work with different data types while maintaining type safety. The type parameters are specified in angle brackets after the method name and are determined when the method is called. A generic method can also return a value of a generic type, with the return type specified using the type parameter in the method signature. The return type can be the same as the input type parameter, or in some cases, a different one. However, using a different return type is rarely practical and has limited real-world applicability.